Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. Today, we're diving into HP printer error code 13.05, a frustrating issue that can halt your printing tasks. If you're dealing with this error in 2025, don't worry, I'll break it down step by step, covering what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it quickly. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is error code 13.05? This code typically indicates a problem with the paper path in your HP printer. It often shows up when there's an issue with how paper is feeding through the machine, like a jam or sensor malfunction. If you've ever seen 13.05 flashing on your printer's display, it's your device's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. Now, let's talk about the common causes. This error is usually triggered by physical obstructions, such as paper jams, torn paper bits stuck inside, or even dirt and debris buildup in the paper path. Other culprits could include worn-out rollers, incorrect paper settings, or even outdated firmware on your printer. In some cases, it might stem from low ink levels or a connectivity glitch, but that's less common. The good news is, fixing error code 13.05 is often straightforward. Step 1. Turn off your printer and unplug it from the power source. Wait about 60 seconds to let it fully reset. This simple step resolves minor glitches. Step 2. Open the printer and carefully check for any paper jams. Gently remove any stuck paper, making sure not to tear it. Use a flashlight if needed to inspect hard-to-reach areas. Once clear, close the covers and plug it back in. Step 3. Clean the rollers and sensors. Grab a lint-free cloth lightly dampened with water or isopropyl alcohol, and wipe down the paper path components. Avoid using excessive moisture to prevent damage. If that doesn't work, try updating your printer's firmware. Visit the official HP website, download the latest drivers for your model, and install them on your computer. Then, reconnect your printer and run a test print. Finally, if the error persists, it might be a hardware issue. In that case, consider contacting HP support or taking your printer to a certified technician. Remember, regular maintenance like keeping your printer dust-free can prevent these errors in the future. There you have it, your complete guide to fixing HP printer error code 13.05. I hope this helps you get back to printing smoothly. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.